Intermittent fasting for weight loss. A poor idea or a secret weight loss tool? Should you skip meals? Intermittent fasting is one diet trend that doesn't seem to be going anywhere anytime soon. You do it when you consciously fast for a set period of time from eating or drinking anything besides water. While some people fast for religious reasons, others do so to lose weight. But is weight loss through intermittent fasting a healthy practice? The three widely used methods of intermittent fasting are as follows. Eat a regular, healthy diet one day, and then either go without eating at all or have one tiny meal the following day. The typical little lunch contains less than 500 calories. 5-day fast 5 days a week, eat normally, and 2 days a week, fast. Time-limited daily fasting. Eat normally, but restrict your daily eating window to 8 hours. Take the example of skipping breakfast and eating lunch at 11 a.m. dinner by 7 o'clock. Using intermittent fasting for weight loss may have some benefits in the short term. It can produce ketosis, which is a process that occurs when the body breaks down stored fat instead of using glucose for energy. Some research shows this may improve conditions associated with inflammation like arthritis and asthma. Side effects of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can have unpleasant side effects, such as hunger, fatigue, insomnia, irritability, decreased concentration, nausea, constipation and headaches. Most side effects go away within a month, but sticking with an intermittent fasting routine can be difficult for some people. Are you a candidate for intermittent fasting? Many people find intermittent fasting to be safe, but not everyone does. For those who are under 18, have a history of disordered eating, are pregnant, or are nursing, skipping meals is not advised. It may be challenging for athletes to properly fuel and replenish for an active lifestyle. Before beginning an intermittent fasting regimen, discuss it with your medical team if you have diabetes or other health conditions. Also, realize that the key to weight loss with intermittent fasting is not to overeat during your meal windows. Losing weight still relies on consuming fewer calories than you burn. Getting the vitamins and minerals you require may be challenging if your eating window is reduced. It is crucial to consume meals when following this diet that are produced with high-quality, nutritious components, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy, and lean protein. If practiced too frequently, intermittent fasting might be harmful. Dry fasting is a method that limits the amount of food and liquids consumed, which causes extreme dehydration and raises significant health issues. If the caloric restriction is too great, such as averaging less than 1,200 calories per day over time, malnutrition may result.